Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to customize aluminium door. You can add window and sliding door like this picture. Okay, so first thing you go to customize, then go inside aluminium door. On top of your screen you can see winter garden. Okay, go inside winter garden. Then here I change to Roam view. Okay, first things first, you can add auxiliary. Auxiliary is a guideline for you to create more precise lines. Okay, right, then add another auxiliary line here, so you will have an intersection like this. Okay, then select the side lines, then drag it out to 3000. Okay, so you go to this side, add another auxiliary line. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now go to draw rectangle. Okay, drag to here. Okay, so you will get a precise rectangle. Then stretch it out to 3000. Okay, now you can offset the surface. Okay, offset it to 240. 240 is the standard thickness of the wall, or you can put your own dimension. Alright, so as you can see, the arrow here is pointing outward. Make sure the arrow is pointing inward. Just click it, it will change direction. Okay, click the arrow, it will change direction. Next, offset the surface on the side, 240. Okay, then go to surface design, right? Surface design. Select the surface, then make it facade. It will become a hole like this. Okay, facade the surface. Here, select facade. Alright. Then make sure you are still inside surface design. Then you will see the buttons here, 2D design and rotate. Go inside 2D design. Okay, you will see this page. Right, then go to casement window. Okay, first thing first, you must drag auto. Okay, auto is the frame, the outer frame. Then you can drag it to the size you want. Okay, this one is for the window part. Then you can draw mullion to divide the section. Okay, you can divide it vertically or horizontally like this. Or you can select the space here. Then just select the buttons, it will divide for you. Select the buttons here, divide. Okay, then you can go to turnable fan here to drag the window. Okay, just drag the window inside. If you don't want the window, just leave it like that. Okay, you don't have to drag turnable fan inside. Alright. Okay, done for the window part. So the right part here, we're gonna add sliding door. Go to sliding door here. Okay, first thing must drag auto, right? Then you can adjust the size here. Okay, zoom in a bit, make sure it don't have gap and don't overlap with the window. Alright, for sliding door, you have to set the top line here, replace it with top rail. Okay, for the bottom line here, you must replace it. Okay, replace it with bottom rail. Right, so then you can go to turnable fan. There's 3 sliding doors or 6 sliding doors here. So I drag 6 sliding doors inside. Alright, create complete. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let's say if you want to edit the aluminium door, you must go back to surface design. Okay, select the surface, then go inside 2D design. Okay, this one select, delete it. Okay, you can draw mullion to customize. Okay, draw mullion. Then you can divide it. Click complete. Okay, done. So let's see how it looks inside. Okay, so the handle is inside. You can try to open it. Press O button on your keyboard to open and close it. Alright. Okay, you guys can try out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.